How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your Evap purge solenoid on the 2017 to 2022 Honda CRV. The first thing we need to do is remove this box from the top of the engine. To do so, we have two 10mm bolts that we need to remove. Next, we can use some channel locks, and we need to loosen these clamps up. Pull them back. To lift the airbox up off the rubber grommets, and then you can twist your hose a little bit and just work those off. And the Evap is located right here. And before we start removing this, my upcoming video, I'm going to be reviewing this car scanner, and I'm going to be giving this car scanner away to one of my subscribers. So make sure you check out that next video that I post. And this will not be the only giveaway that I'm going to do. I'm going to start doing this as often as I can to give back to my community that's helped me out so much. So back to the repair. We need to disconnect this connector. We just push down on this tab and pull the connector straight back. Take your pliers and we will loosen these clamps and pull them back. There's a second one right here. To get these hoses off, they often get stuck on here. Sometimes you can break them loose with your hands, but if you cannot, just take your pliers and do not squeeze too hard. Just try to break the seal loose and pull back as you do it. And once you break it loose, you should be able to pull your hose straight back. You don't want to squeeze the hose too hard, or else you could put a hole in it and create a leak. To try to remove the back hose with this mounted in place is kind of tough because you have this in the way. So we will remove these two 10mm bolts. And there is still a hose connected on the bottom, but for now we can just pull this out a little bit. Pull the clamp off this hose. You can take a flathead screwdriver and try to break it loose. It's hard to get pliers on this one. And you should be able to push the hose right off. Just keep working around the hose. And once you know you got the whole seal loose, you can see it slid back. It will pull right off. Before we go to install this, take a little bit of lubricant and just put it where the hoses are going to slide on, just so you don't have any problems sliding the hoses on. You may need to take your screwdriver just to hold the back side of this hose and help push. It's kind of hard to get your fingers in there. It's a tight spot. Squeeze your clamp and put that back in place. And now we can slide this back hose back on and reinstall the clamp. And now the front hose. And now line your two bolt holes up that are on your valve with the holes on the engine and thread your two bolts in. Once your bolts are snug, just give them about 1/8 a turn. Plug your electrical connector back in. Make sure you hear it clip into place. And now we can take this box, reinstall our two hoses, get them both started. And you should be able to just slide them both on. Reinstall the clamps. On the bottom side of your box, you have the stud that goes into this rubber grommet. Push that in first. And now you can install the two bolts. And just like the other bolts, once these are snug, give them about 1/8 a turn. And that completes this video on how to replace your Evap purge valve. If this video helped you out, if you could give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button.